We have found so many keywords till now, but how to find, choose, and use the best keywords with low competition and high traffic? We will know in today's video. As I always say, that keywords are the base of on page SEO, so it is very important to keep the base strong and select good keywords. So let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum. Hi viewers, I'm Asma. Welcome to my channel Organically Marketing. In today's video, we are going to select the best keywords which we have researched so far. If you haven't seen the previous videos, you will get the link of the playlist in the description box where you can watch the previous videos, where we have used tools like SEMrush, Google Keyword Planner, and Google Trends. And also, I cover types of keywords to choose authentic, long lasting, and high ranking keywords. So, make sure to watch each and every video for best understanding of each and every step. Okay, let's get into it. I select the same sheet. We get these keywords after the research from Google Keyword Planner. Basically, my theme keyword was smartwatches for women. Okay, first of all, I will filter them out alphabetically. Just go to filter and sort and arrange them alphabetically. Select a sort A to Z. Then again go to filter and filter them out. First, I will just keep monthly searches of 5,500 or 500,000. Then the year to year change or month to month change will remain same. Just remove minus points or minus figures and keep the plus figures like plus 90% or plus 900%. And next is competition. Competition, as we know, is very important for us. Always choose low competition keywords. Never choose high competition keywords. Okay, let's we have some further steps to do. First of all, I will remove all the keywords which are not related to my seed keyword. I will just write some random keywords for the best understanding, or for example, like which are not related to my seed keyword, like smartwatches, best smartwatches, or smartwatches for women company. All right, I am not running a company. I have not a store, or I am not a seller. So I will just remove this keyword from my sheet. Next, I will remove the keywords that you have a little doubt that this keyword is not related to my service or business. For example, best smartwatches from all over the world. I am not delivering from in all over the world. I selected just one specific country, Pakistan. Next, we will do consideration. That combination of keywords. Now I will try to remove such keywords in which whatever words have been used, they have already come in my keyword, like repeating the words. So for example, best smartwatches for a woman, or best ladies smartwatch. Best is the same word, and smartwatch is again the same word. So I will just keep one out of them. Next, I will figure out that best ladies smartwatch or best female smartwatch. Best again, and smartwatch again. So I will just keep one out of both. Then if I can see best smartwatches for women or best smartwatches ladies, so I will remove one out of them. Now I have 10 keywords, best keywords. Okay, their monthly search volume is good, 3 months, and Y2Y change is also good, and the competition is low. They are perfect keywords for me. I will work on them, and I will get best results for them. So, and guys, there is a tip that just remember, if the monthly searches are low but the competition is also low, then just go with the competition. Never choose high volume keywords. Then there is a task for you. Go to Google Keyword Planner because it's free. Go to SEMrush, use its free plan, and do a practice of keyword research. Thanks for watching, viewers. That's all from today's video. I hope so my points were clear to you. If you have a query, you can ask in the comment section, or you can also contact on my to me on my social media platforms. All the links are available in the description box. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to the channel for latest updates.